Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. Students, in last lecture we did past papers of coordinate geometry question number 6. Today we are doing question number 7. This question came in October-November 2014 paper 2-3. Let's start question number 7. Points A and B have coordinates -2, 10 and 4, 2 respectively. C is the midpoint of the line AB. Point D is such that CD is 12, 9. Find the coordinates of C and coordinates of D. Very easy. According to question, C is the midpoint of AB. Coordinates of A are given -2, 10. Coordinates of B given 4, 2. So C is the midpoint. So the coordinates of midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So C is 4 minus 2, 2, 2 upon 2 is 1 and 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 upon 2 is 6. The coordinate of C is 1 comma 6. Now we have to find the coordinates of D. So CD, vector CD, column vector is given. So we can write column vector CD is equals to, in terms of position vector, that is OD minus OC, right? So CD is given 12, 9 in column vector form. OD we have to find minus OC. So we can convert the coordinate of C 1, 6 in terms of position vector, that is 1, 6 in terms of column vector. So 12 plus 1 and 9 plus 6 is the vector, position vector OD. So 12 plus 1 is 13 and 9 plus 6 is 15. This is position vector of OD. Now we can convert this position vector of OD in coordinate form. That is, coordinates of D we can write 13 comma 15. So this is the answer of part number 1. Coordinate of C is 1, 6 and coordinate of D is 13 comma 15. Now move to next part. The next part is show that CD is perpendicular to AB. So what are the coordinates of A, which is given in the question -2 comma 10. Coordinate of B is given 4 comma 2. In order to prove that CD is perpendicular to AB, we have to find the gradient of both the lines. So gradient of AB, I always represent M by gradient. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus plus x1. 2 minus 10 is minus 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 4 is 8 and 2 3 is 6. That is, gradient of AB is minus 4 upon 3. Now coordinate of C we have find 1 comma 6 and coordinates of D we have find in previous part 13 comma 15. Therefore gradient of CD is 15 minus 6 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 15 minus 6 is what? 9. 13 minus 1 is 12. So 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 upon 4. In order to prove that line AB is perpendicular to line CD, we have to multiply both the gradient of AB multiply by gradient of CD. And if we get the product of both the gradient is -1, so it is proved that both the lines are perpendicular. So the gradient of AB we have find -4 upon 3. The gradient of CD we have find 3 upon 4. 3 cancel, 4 cancel. The answer is -1. This is proof that both the lines AB and CD are perpendicular. Now move to last part. The last part is to find the area of triangle ABD. So what are the coordinates of A? -2, 10. Coordinate of B is 4, 2. Coordinate of D we just find 13, 15. So we will use the general formula of area of triangle 1 upon 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1. 1 upon 2 -2 to the -4, 15 4 the 60, 13 10 the 130. Bracket close, apply negative sign. 10 4 the 40, 2 13 the 26, 15 2 the -30. So 1 upon 2 130 plus 60 minus 4 is 186. 186 minus 40 plus 26 minus 30. It is 36. So 1 upon 2, 186 minus 36 is 150. And 150 upon 2 is 75 square units. This is the final answer of part 3. So hope you understand all parts. Find the area of triangle ABD. The second part is show that CD is perpendicular to AB. And the first part is very interesting. Find the coordinates of C and D. So in next lecture, we will do question number 8, which came in October-November 2000, June 2015. So student, this is our today's class. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.